Make money online with Fiverr affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you completely new and different way to do affiliate marketing using Fiverr platform. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So the step number one is you guys simply came to fiverr.com. So don't worry, we are not buying anything and we are not selling anything on Fiverr. Once you came to Fiverr, all you need to do is scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, you guys can see like under the communities, you are able to see like affiliates. You guys click on affiliate. Once you click on the affiliate, you guys can see this kind of page like affiliates.fiverr.com. So you guys literally join a Fiverr affiliate program. It's super simple to join, okay? But first I'm going to show you the commission plan. So if you scroll down, you guys can see commissions. If you click this, you guys can see like commission plan. So scroll down, you guys can see there are two types of commission, like Fiverr CPA and Fiverr hybrid. So we go with like Fiverr CPA, okay? Just ignore this and leave it. I'm not gonna tell about this because this is not profitable. This is really profitable, Fiverr CPA. I'm gonna show you why. If you scroll down, you guys can see make products, and so just leave it. I'm gonna show you the main thing, like Fiverr CPA commissions. Like if you're promoting any kind of Fiverr Pro services, you are able to generate all, like if you're promoting any Fiverr Pro service, you will able to make $150 in every service. Scroll down, you guys can see if you're promoting like this kind of you call it services like website development, mobile apps, data science, industrial and product design, you are able to make $50 in every single sale. And if you're promoting like these services like website builders, like lyrics, music and data processing, game development, website design, you make like $40. Like you're promoting these categories, you will make $30. You're like, for example, you're promoting these any of these categories, you will able to make like any of these categories, specific categories. I'm not saying like the whole category, a specific category, you guys can see able to generate $25. Or you are promoting any other category except these categories, you are able to generate $50 in any category, okay? So these are the commission plans, and I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote these Fiverr affiliate offers and make money with them with completely free and high quality way. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply click join now. So once you click join now, all you need to do is simply sign up all your, these are the basic details, you guys can do it and your account will be created instantly. So I have my account. Quickly I'm going to log in and then I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote our Fiverr affiliate offer. So let's go. Right now you guys can see I am in login in Fiverr affiliates members area. So once you log in first time or anytime, you guys can see this kind of page. So this is my new Fiverr affiliates account. So this is how it looks like. So first thing is we need an offer to promote, or we call it service to promote, because in Fiverr we are promoting services. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to directly go to the fiverr.com. So once you go to fiverr.com and you guys can promote, you are able to promote any kind of service. So to be honest, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and promote website related services. So you guys can see website development, because this is the service gives you like $50. If you're promoting any service, like you will able to generate $50. So let's see. So we just simply scroll down a little bit more and you guys can literally select any of this. So first, you guys can see this is a pro service. If you're promoting the pro service, you are able to make $150 in every pro service. But I'm not going to promote because pro service is little bit expensive. That's why normally I am ignoring this. I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to go with like this gig or this person, because Fiverr says it's a top rated seller. So it means this is a really good and big seller. So that's why I'm going to go with like this one. Click this. So I click this and you guys can see it's a really good seller according to the Fiverr, and this person also have like 378 reviews. For example, I want to promote this gig, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna literally copy that link, copy this, and for example, I want to promote this page and this link. So I copy that link. Now I'm gonna go back to my Fiverr affiliates main account and I'm gonna click on marketing tools, and you guys are able to see in here deep links, like default and deep links. You guys can click on default and deep links and you guys can see LP URL. In here you guys can paste that same link here, okay? So which you copied, and now you guys simply click enter. So once you click enter, you guys can see they generated a link. So like Fiverr CPA, hybrid, learn. So just ignore and leave all these links all the time. Only you guys can select CPA a Fiverr CPA link. Okay, so this gives you the highest commission. So you guys simply copy this, and now we're gonna go and promote this link, and I'm gonna show you how. So let's go to the next website. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website. It's called systeme.io, because no one allow you to do direct linking. I told you, no website allow you nowadays to do direct linking. That's why we need a simple, quick and basic landing page. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna create a basic landing page. So simply click on funnels. So I name my funnel like website F, means website Fiverr, and I'm gonna click custom and simply click save. So once you click save, now they will show you this kind of page. Again, you guys simply click on website, and now you are able to see this kind of page. In here, you guys simply click add step, and you guys can see in here I added a name like website Fiverr, and in here you guys can choose a step. I'm gonna go with like sales page. Simply click save. So once you click save, now there's a lot of templates pops up. So now you guys can see a lot of template pops up. So you guys can select any template. So for example, this one, click edit page. Now you guys can see this template is open up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete every single thing from this template, and we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So right now you guys can see I delete every single thing from this landing page except this, and now I'm gonna quickly create a landing page for us. First I'm gonna drag and drop that row like this. Click this, scroll down. First I'm gonna change the color. It's completely up to you. You guys can add any color. I'm gonna go with like white, and I'm gonna go with like scroll down. Where is the shadow? Like blurry shadow. And now click this. I'm gonna add a headline. Simply I'm gonna copy paste my headline. I'm gonna copy and paste my headline. That's my headline. I'm gonna go with like H2, and I'm gonna go with like this one, like this. And I'm gonna also increase the size to 60 somehow, and I'm gonna go with like line height will be somehow 50. So I added 50, and now you guys can see this how it looks like. And now I'm gonna copy this, for example, custom website, and I'm gonna change the color. Like I'm gonna go with like little bit different color like this. And now what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm gonna click this, sorry, not like this, like go, and you guys can see duplicate. I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna add my sub headline. I'm gonna copy and paste, and I'm gonna go with like a small the size to 40. I'm gonna go with like 28, and I'm gonna change the font somehow like Acme. I'm gonna go with like Acme this time, and now you guys can see it looks really good. I'm gonna go with like affordable price, and there you go. Copy this, and I'm gonna go with like this one. So now you guys can see it looks like this. So scroll down, I'm gonna drag and drop that 2 columns. You guys can see 2 columns I added. Now scroll down again, and you guys can see the image, first image here and second image is here. So quickly I'm gonna upload image, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so right now you guys can see I uploaded 2 images. Quickly click on this image, and I'm gonna do one thing is like I'm gonna only add blurry shadow background. This, click this, scroll down, and again I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow. And last thing is I'm gonna add a like button. So simply drag and drop that button here. So I added button. Simply click this, scroll down. First thing is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the subtext, and I'm gonna add a color like there is. Click on this color. I'm gonna go with like this one. Again I'm gonna scroll down, and you guys can see color. I'm gonna go with like this one. You guys can see shadow here. I'm gonna go with like blurry shadow. Scroll up, and like rounded corners, it's okay, 3 looks good. And last thing is I'm gonna add my call to action here. So I'm gonna copy paste like this, and I'm gonna increase the size to somehow 40, and 23 looks good. I'm gonna go with like somehow Google safe, and I'm gonna go with like Acme like this. And now you guys can see it looks good. So this is how our landing page is done almost. So I'm gonna go click on this background like this, and I'm gonna go with like a little bit gray or white, oh sorry, black. So now you guys can see this is how our simple and basic portfolio type of landing page looks good. So this is my landing page. So first thing is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this, and last thing is remaining. If you scroll down, you guys can see rounded corners. I'm gonna go with like 5. So I added rounded corners 5, and you guys can see these edges is rounded. Now it looks good. So this is my landing page looks like. I will develop your custom website or will be your web developer. and I will create any kind of website for you in affordable price. That is very, very important. Okay, and now you guys can see these two images I added. You guys can easily find this kind of images on Google. And last is like click here for more details. So this is how my basic and simple landing page looks like. And now I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote. So let's go to the first website. I'm going to show you. You guys just literally type on the search is like I need a web developer. So once you type this in the quotations, like everybody is looking for, like, so that's person looking I need a mentor. Okay, just I need web developer mentor. Okay, so first like I need a web developer, like you guys can see I need a web developer, I need a web developer. So there is a lot of people is looking for web developer. So what you guys can do, all you need to do is just simply reply them, like literally on the comments. So a lot of people are doing this, like reply them like I'm a professional web developer. You can check my profile in Fiverr. Here is the link. In here you guys can add your domain link, means your landing page URL. Right now I did not connect it, that's why I am not pasting, but you guys must paste that link. So this is the way you guys can reply these people. But to be honest, the more you call it, the more recommended way is do not just sending your link. All you need to do is the recommended way is you guys literally read the comments, what other people says, or you guys literally go in the profile and literally DM them directly. Okay, so that is the recommended way. You guys can directly DM to that person who is looking for the web developer. So to be honest, in the Twitter, there is a little bit you call it older people tweeted. So let's go. I'm gonna show you more effective way. So that is the first way you guys can find clients on Twitter. There will be not a lot of people, few people, but these few are really targeted people, because they literally says like I need a web developer. Okay, so these are really targeted people. So but still there is like little bit older tweets, so that's why there is not a really effective way, but there is also a way. That's why I show you. So that is the number one method. So let's go to the second method. So the next step is you guys simply came to facebook.com. so once you came to the facebook.com, what you guys can do, all you need to do is just search and type I need a developer. Like I again added like I need web developer. So once you did this, all you need to do this, there is a lot of filters. You guys simply click on posts. So once you click on the posts, you guys can see like 10 hours ago that person like says I need web developer that can develop my website for an affiliate. So I click on the post and you guys can see 10 hours ago, and that person says like I need a web developer that can develop my website for me at affordable price. And that person says like this is my email, kindly message, or literally DM them. Literally go into the account and directly DM to that person. Okay, or literally email them, because that person is a really, you guys can see, we call it really hot lead, or really warmed up hot person who is literally looking for a person who can develop their website. So you just contact them and send that direct Fiverr affiliate link. If you contact them in Messenger or email, you are allowed to do send direct affiliate link of your Fiverr account. Okay, so the second is you guys can see 3 days ago like I need a web developer. If you scroll down again, these people says I need a web developer for hospital management system, and scroll down and you guys can see everybody says like I need developer, like I need developer. All you need to do is just literally go directly DM them, or literally contact them, comment like people says this is the recommended way. Okay, like a lot of people are doing spamming, so this is spamming, don't do this. Okay, so you guys can see people say like inbox me, please check inbox. You guys literally DM them and just comment them like please check inbox. You guys can also able to do this direct linking, but this does not looks really professional, to be honest. The suggested way is you guys DM them and just came back and comment them please check your inbox. Okay, so that is the suggested way. And one more thing is you guys can also click on recent posts. For example, if I clicked on recent posts, okay, so now you guys can see it says like yesterday that person literally says I need a web developer. Like 2 hours ago like I need a web design and developer to work for me, like inbox or email me, people says like literally 2 days ago I need a developer. Like you guys can see an hour, 5 hours ago, 1 day ago. So these are really recent posts. 11 hours ago I need a website developer. So these are the people who is literally looking for a person who can develop a website for him. So these are really high quality people. You guys literally contact them and literally send them a Fiverr link, and they will buy a service. You will get a commission. So this is again a really effective way. So in this way you will easily generating sales in just 10 or 20 clicks. People can easily purchase from that person. Okay, so these are really high quality people. So these are the two methods. Let's go. I'm going to show you the last method. So let's go to the next site. So the next step is you guys simply came to Google, and you guys literally type in Google hair salon, spa, gym, or you guys can type dentist, doctors, cafes, like net cafes. This kind of words you guys can type here, like this kind of businesses, and you guys can see it says like I added United States. It's not necessary to add United States, but still I added because a lot of people in US using like you call it like online kind of stuff. That's why I added. So once you added like hair salon United States, I'm gonna give you the example how you guys can also able to sell services with that method that I'm gonna show you. So once you scroll down, for example, I'm looking for example, I'm gonna click this, and once you click this, they will give you the article. So this kind of article, in these articles you are able to see these people's website, and you guys can email them, or you are able to see their social media accounts. For example, one of this account, for example, one, and like there is a second one. For example, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to go into the social media account of this person, and you guys can see they have only 900 followers. It's really less followers, right? And the second second account have like 11,000 followers. Still good followers, but people, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So these are the two or three accounts, right? Okay, two accounts, sorry. So these are the two accounts. What you guys can do, you guys literally first follow them and just message them. And what you guys can do is you guys go back to Fiverr first, and you guys can type here, for example, social media. So you guys can type here social media manager. So once you type social media manager, you guys can scroll down, and you guys can see there is a lot of people says like I will create 30 days content for Facebook, Instagram, and other profiles. For 30 days I will charge $50. For example, I like this gig, so I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna create affiliate link of this gig, and I'm gonna go to this Instagram profile, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally message that like Instagram owner, says like you have really good business, and every business nowadays need social media presence, so I will like do the social media work for you. Like you guys can create a beautiful script, and then you guys can say this is my portfolio. You guys can go and check it out. I will charge like $50 to $55, and I will literally do like for example, I will charge like $50 to $55, and I will literally post and like literally manage your whole social media account, for example YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everything, and I will grow your followers. So this is the third method you guys can acquire customers. Okay, so these are the three methods. These are really effective methods. You guys can try it, and you will definitely able to see results if you're consistently doing these strategies which I show you. Okay, so these are the three ways I show you. These are really effective methods. You guys must try that, and these will be work for you. Okay, so with these methods and the strategy, you are able to generate decent amount of sale. And one thing is very important, I show you these three methods, and these three are really effective free methods. So I highly suggest you guys must try that strategies. Okay, and remember one thing all the time, the strategies and the method I'm going to show you all the time, that methods and the strategies is not working for everyone. Few methods and the strategies are working for few people, and few methods and the strategies are working for other people. Results are depending on person to person. Okay, and if you want to make money online with the fastest and autopilot way, then I highly suggest you guys must watch this video.